This guy called us yesterday. His logo is very simple. Since we're not that busy and the weather is nice, that's one of the reasons why we are gonna go ahead and do it. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to get an idea about the paint. It looks in good shape. This is the other side. It looks good. And we're not gonna do anything to the back. This is another question we get a lot, is about the measurements. The best way to get the right measurements, always measure the surface. Usually for this type of band, we know that the windows or the panel measures 23 tall. I'm not even sure how this customer found us. I think I posted a couple days ago on local groups on Facebook. This is the vector image, was already created it. He had his own design, right? He has his own logo.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the main color, the white one. I'm gonna go ahead and align the vinyl. Since this will be the longest, I'm gonna make sure to take my time. Just want you guys to see how much the vinyl moves. See, it barely moved, so we could work with this without having to worry about wasting any material. One of the great things about the Graphtec, we don't really need to babysit it, unlike the Cameo cutter. Even though those are great machines for the price, you need to babysit them a little bit more. And remember, if you are liking this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Remember that you can also get your materials, equipment through our website, that is www.rdidecals.com. Remember that we also have memberships available if you want to support us additionally. Just go to the join button and you will see all the options available. Thank you so much for your support. This is the vinyl. We're going to use the Oracle 651, the same as we usually use for flat surfaces. The type of transfer is the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75.1. And our favorite vinyl cutter, Graphtec C6060. I'm sure you already knew that. It didn't cut through the paper, so that's a good thing. Now we're gonna go ahead and start cutting the second color. Looks like it's weeding out good.
So far.
So far, it's too soon to say. This time the customer's outside waiting. We told him that it was gonna be ready in just a few hours. Plus we got something else going on later on with the family, so that's why we are trying to get moving. I'm glad that we got the settings right. Now this is gonna be the real challenge. We'll see. I mean, one of the good things about this type of material is that you can always see there are like little traces where the blade cut, and you can always, if anything comes off, you can always put it back in place. This is a very interesting font. I like it, very nice.
People seem to like the font from the program, so.
Yep. The design frame, that's where you have it, right?
Yep.
We almost lost this one, but we were able to place it back, so no issues. How dare you waste this section? Like when we first started, we would save like small pieces and we would cut everything separately. In the end, you're gonna waste or take a long time to be able to apply like the decal in sections, and that's why we rather do it this way. We still gotta weed out the yellow color. Once we finish with that, then we can apply the transfer. Now we're gonna apply the transfer, the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75.1. Remember that if you do not have any help, there's a tool that we recommend that you look at. It is the tape application rollers. Not only can you use it to apply your transfer, but you can also use it with your Cameo cutter. This is all the material we're gonna use for this project. We're going to clean the surface with using Graphtec. We're gonna do a dry application for sure. We decided to go ahead and use the blue tape. We're gonna place it on top. And we start getting some tension on the other side. So this time we're gonna split it in two to make it easier. All right, so we're gonna start with this section here. All dry application, especially when it's getting really not cold, but it's getting cooler and cooler. Yeah, we should have done this on the other side too. I mean, it's a lot easier. No issues, except just the transfer is acting up a little bit as expected because of the weather. I mean, it could be worse. And the reason we decided to use this transfer is because the surface is not, like I said, it's not in a bad shape. Now it's time to start removing the transfer. It's coming off easily. Just be careful when it's like around 50 or cooler than that. So right now it's 46 degrees. It was almost 50 a few minutes ago, but it's going down. The next step will be to expose our registration marks. Finish the top section. See, that's why you need a tall person to help you. I'm kind of short. And that is over. See, that's how you remove the registration marks. Use the weeder, pick one side, and then boom. Really easy, pull it. So we are finished with this project. It was very easy. It only took less than 2 hours actually. It was like an hour and something, like for the whole process. I mean, that's not counting the like working with the image, which it shouldn't have taken that long. This is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. As always, thank you so much for your support. Remember that if you like this video, of course, give us a like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. If you would like to support us additionally, we have memberships available. Just go to the join button. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys until the next one.